Hello everyone, welcome to my Hot Wheels Redline collection. This is another continuation of the heavyweights. The truck you see in front of you here is called a moving van from 1970. You can see the cab of this guy is really good shape. I think it's beautiful. Clear glass. Well, it's blue, but there's no cracks. It's not all scuffed up. Paint is perfect around it. The base is nice and shiny. Wheels are perfect. And then this is the trailer. And they did two different trailers. Well, two different colors. They did a white one and they did a gray one. And you can see this gray one here is in really good shape. Underneath is perfect. The back of this, they did two different doors. This one is called the flat door, and then they did another one that had the details on it. The arms and all that kind of stuff, the locking latches. But as you can see, this one has made it through, and I was really excited to add this one to my collection. Okay, that's about it on this guy. I hope everybody has a great day. Bye.